A great good morning to ever-conscious Edo people. I remember my humble self, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwudin. Yes, I'm here this morning to quickly react to a video that I saw online by one PDP agent, Fares Okpere, who is bent on blackmailing the government of the day just to score some cheap political points and to give a political edge to members of the opposition party here in Edo State, which is the PDP, who agree to the fact that after elections, there are bound to be governors, and it's our collective responsibility to ensure that the government of the day meets up to all expectations, regardless of your political affiliation, because Edo State belongs to us all. If the role of an opposition is to ensure that you identify all the necessary administrative lacuna so as to better the activities of government, but in a situation where you are doing such just because you want your primary goal and objective is to win an elections, it becomes an aberration. Let truth be said, and let's follow the truth where necessary. Nobody have ever said that Ugbo-Amagba Road is under construction. Ugbo-Amagba Road was approved by the Obaseki administration for construction. So it is because of the fact that the government identified that there is a problem in that area. That is why the government have said, let us construct that road. Let's make that road motorable. And it was in the Executive Council meeting last week, if I'm not mistaken, that the approval was given. And a series of feasibility study that has been carried out in that area to see how they can be able to construct that road to alleviate the plight of the downtrodden and the people who live within the purview of that particular territory. So we're already, Fares is privy to this information, that the government of the day have given an approval, a go-ahead for a contractor to construct that road. Why are you now carrying Keke Nape to apply that road just to blackmail the regime? Let the truth be said. It is not as if I'm attacking you, but somebody tagged me to your video showing me, is this not the road that you and Abatobaze claim that the government is facing? Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwudin. And we should be able to stand for truth and fairness. Even Fares is aware of the fact that that road has been awarded. If you award a road, first we will agree to the fact that there have been PDP administration here in the Edo State, and Fares understand the nitty-gritties of government. If government approve a specific project, it is the responsibility of the contractors to be mobilized to site, of which that has been done. So do you expect this kind of rainy season for the work to just commence immediately? No way. So there must be modalities and mechanisms that must be put on ground by the contractors to be able to meet up to all expectation. The government have done the needful. Approval has been given. Mobilization has been done. Why now? Why are you not showing that same road now when you are aware that that road has been approved for construction? So if we must criticize, let us all criticize on the basis of the fact that we want a better Edo State, not because we want our party to gain power or we want to score some cheap political point. The other day you went to College of Education. You went to go and show abandoned building. You refused to show the real structure that are used for academic activity in the school. Yes, we know that that school needs a facelift. But if you want to show the true picture. Don't show a blackmailing picture because you want to score some cheap political point for your political party. We know that the primary aim and objective of every political party is to gain power in that now or in the future. Yes, in as much as we are doing that, we must be fair enough and logical in addressing our issue. So I'm stating it categorically clear. Disregard the video that you've just seen about the Ugbo-Amagba Road. The Ugbo-Amagba Road is known to be a bad road that must be fixed, and it has gotten the attention of government. Maybe the point Fares want to score in that place is, it is because he raised the alarm that the government now decided to fix that particular place. No. It has already been approved in the State Executive Council, and it was publicly announced. So please, let us not begin to use social media to manipulate people. The truth must be said. There is already an approval, and I strongly believe that when the rain subsides, the work is going to commence in that particular road. So please and please, all Edo peoples at home and in diaspora should know, because like somebody who tagged me with the video, Slim Joe Black, asked, he said, Comrade Stanley Osazo Sarko, is this not the road that you guys claim that the government is fixing? Is this not that same road that you guys claim that the government is fixing? Why is the road like this? I was shocked because I know quite well that approval have just been given, and we are aware of the fact that even the chief of staff went to that place to assess the level of damage in that area, so as to see, so as to be able to ameliorate the problem of the people through the modalities and mechanisms of government. So I know quite well that there is need for constructive opposition in every polity, but when we are opposing, when we are creating room for criticism, we should do that on the basis of fairness, justice and equity, not on the basis of the fact that we want to win an elections, but on the basis of the fact that we are ready to do the needful and to alleviate the plight of the people, so as to complement the effort of government. In a nutshell, ipso facto, my overall message here this morning is this: disregard that specific video. That video is not for the overall interest of Edo people. It is designed to just score a cheap political point. A cheap political point. Now, because you notice that everybody know that Amagba Road is bad, and government the road has gotten the attention of government. Yes. So, and government has approved it. Why not showing it now? Why not showing it now? It is just a calculated attempt to score two cheap political points. One, place your political party in the right political edge so as to gain an advantage against over the APC. And two, for it to look as if you were the one who raised the alarm that called the attention of government to this issue. I am telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. That action is repugnant to natural justice, equity, and good conscience. Let's stay on the basis of sincerity and fairness. Let's work on the path of truth, because what you've just done this morning by showing that play, because you know that there was a little rainfall, it is a calculated attempt just to score a cheap political point. And I urge all Edo people at home and in diaspora to, as a matter of urgency, disregard that video. That video is not for the interest of Edo people. Thank you very much. I remember humble self, Comrade Stanley Osazo Sarko. Share this video so that